NVC stage, step-by-step process, requirements, and fees. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Swanberg channel. Today we are diving deep into the NVC stage or National Visa Center process. If you're looking to navigate the complexities of US immigration, you've come to the right place. Stay tuned for a step-by-step guide on the requirements, fees, and everything you need to know about the NVC process. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more informative content. What is NVC? The National Visa Center, or NVC, is an essential part of the U.S. immigration system. It processes immigrant visa application after the USCIS approves them and before they sent to a U.S. embassy or consulate. Essentially, the NVC acts as a middleman to ensure that your application is complete and ready for the next stage. Step 1. Receiving your case number. Once your petition is approved by the USCIS, it's sent to the NVC. You'll receive a welcome letter containing your case number and invoice number. This information is crucial for logging into the Consular Electronic Application Center or CAAC to manage your case. Step 2. Paying fees. The next step involves paying the necessary fees. This includes the Affidavit of Support fee and the Immigrant Application Processing fee. Both can be paid online through the CAAC portal. Remember, these fees are non-refundable, so double-check all the information before proceeding. You will need a bank routing number and a checking or savings account number from a US-based bank. To pay your fee, log into your case in CAAC and click the Pay Now button. Under Affidavit of Support fee or IV fee on your summary page. Please note you cannot pay these two fees simultaneously. The online system will ask you to pay them one at a time. But in my case, my husband paid at the same time these two fees and we don't have any problem. They for a few days only they approve our payment. But in the USCIS website, they said that after submitting your payments online, please allow up to 1 week for NVC to process your fees before continuing to the next step. You will not be able to access Form DS-260 until NVC has processed your payments. So how about you guys? How long did you wait until the NVC accepted your payment? Just let me know in the comment section. Step 3. Affidavit of Support and Financial Documents. The Affidavit of Support Form I-864 is a critical document proving that the visa applicant has adequate financial support and won't become a public charge in the U.S. The petitioner or sponsor must submit this form along with the proof of income, tax returns, and employment. The petitioner must complete Form I-864. However, if the petitioner's income is insufficient, a joint sponsor may agree to also complete an I-864 on the applicant's behalf. By signing Form I-864, the petitioner, including any joint sponsors, is agreeing to use their resources if necessary to financially support the beneficiary and any dependents. Moving on to Step 4. Complete the online visa application, DS-260 form and civil documents of the beneficiary. After payment, you complete the DS-260 form, also known as the Immigrant Visa and Alien Registration Application. Alongside this, you'll need to gather and submit various supporting documents such as birth certificates, marriage certificates, and police clearance certificate. All documents must be translated into English if they're in another language. After you pay the fees, the status in the CAAC is updated to paid, and now you can start now to fill up the form DS-260. You may wish to preview a sample of DS-260 in a PDF form before you begin. To complete your application for immigrant visa and alien registration, log in your case in CAAC and click the Start Now button. Under the IB application on your summary page. After submitting Form DS-260 online, you must print the confirmation page and bring it to your interview. You can print this form in the CAAC portal in any time after you complete your DS-260 application. Step 5. Upload and submit scanned documents. To submit documents, log into the CAAC account and go to the Start Now buttons located under Affidavit of Support, Documents, and Civil Documents. When you have uploaded all the required documents for each section, press Submit Documents. Important note: do not send any documents to NVC by mail. However, you must bring every civil document you uploaded and submitted with your application to your visa interview. Step 6. Document review by the NVC. Once all documents and forms are submitted, the NVC will review your case. This process can take several weeks or months. If any documents are missing or incomplete, the NVC will notify you through the CAAC portal. Make sure to address any issues promptly to avoid delays. Once NVC reviews your case, you will receive an email stating one of the following: correction required, or documentarily complete or qualified. In my case, it only take me like 1 week. Then I received email from the NVC that to check my CAAC portal that my application was already documentarily qualified. Actually, I received 2 notice. That was like the RFE, or the request for further evidence, and documentarily qualified. What is correction required, or RFE? If NVC determines you did not submit the correct documents, you will receive a notification that the status of your case has been updated. When you receive this message, follow the instructions to log into the CAAC. Follow the instructions to provide additional information or to correct documents. Once you complete that, you will need to resubmit your case for review by pressing Submit Documents. What is documentarily complete or documentarily qualified? If NVC determines you have paid the necessary fees, submitted the required immigrant fee application, affidavit of support, and supporting documents to NVC, you will receive an email that your case is documentarily complete or qualified, and the NVC will work with the appropriate U.S. Embassy or consulate to schedule an appointment for you. NVC cannot predict when your case will be scheduled for an interview. As I mentioned earlier, I received 2 notices from the NVC regarding to the documents. I received an RFA, or request for further evidence. I will make a separate videos and tell you why they send me this RFE. Step 7. Scheduling the interview. After the NVC approves your documentation, they'll schedule an interview at the U.S. Embassy or consulate in your home country. You receive an appointment letter with the date, time, and location of your interview, along with the instructions on what documents to bring. Before your interview, you must undergo a medical examination by an authorized physician. The results of this exam are sent directly to the embassy or consulate and are required for your visa application. Step 8. Interview day. On the day of your interview, bring all the required documents, including your passport, appointment letter, and any other additional paperwork specified by the NVC. The consular officer will review your case and ask questions to determine your eligibility for an immigrant visa. If approved, you will be informed on how and when you'll receive your visa. Step 9. Final steps and fees. Once your visa is approved, you'll need to pay the USCIS immigrant fee online before traveling to the US. This fee covers the cost of processing your immigrant visa packet and producing your green card. After payment, you can finally prepare for your journey to the United States. Thank you for watching our step-by-step guide on the NVC process. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Leave your question in the comments below and we'll be sure to answer them. See you next time. Thank you and God bless.